something that I focused on and that we focused on with the Kyle Pease, how they can get these little hope.
We want them to be able to walk out of this room with something that they can really create real action for themselves. I think, a lot of times when we do this, our goal is not just to share our story. I think that can be powerful on its own, but to give people something that they can take action away. When we were making kind of some big attempts in 2017 to get into the race in Hawaii, a friend of ours wrote an email trying to just get our story in front of more people. And there was a line in there that stuck with me, and he said, these guys are just starting to scratch the surface on what they can do. And I think Kyle's still doing that.
It's Kyle Pease, Brent Pease, you're going to Kona!
My main focus is just to bring more athletes into the Kyle Pease Foundation, however that looks like.
I don't think Kyle fully realizes how powerful he is in this movement of inclusion, not just for the Kyle Pease Foundation, but all the other teams that are racing like us around the world.
When we went in 2018, it was a very special moment. It was a moment that I will never forget as an athlete. It was one of the best days of my life. To get back there again, will be a challenge. I think it will test both our mental and physical ability, and I can't wait to show what we can do.